Okay, quickly, I gotta slip this free 99 play in here real quick. Charizard Inu was just listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap today, so I just wanted to show y'all this real quick because y'all know we called this one. It had a 50% pullback approximately from the high where we seen 100% gains at. So right now, this is a chance to add to the bag if you want to. So make sure y'all do y'all due diligence. This is not financial advice, but I just want to show you this real quick. So blessed to be holding Charizard. Man, what a journey it's been to now looking forward to the next step. Charizard Inu is now listed on both CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap on the same day. DYOR. So y'all know Shib is going absolutely bonkers, but I want to show y'all the Charizard chart real quick. So we can see that quickly. We still got some gains, man. So we're here. We still got an easy, what was that? Let's just say approximately. So we got an easy 80% gains on the table right from where we are right now back to all-time high here. And this project is still very early. So it was created on the around late September, but still very, very early, y'all. So come check this out. We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. And y'all see we doing that each and every day, man. Salute to all y'all that's rocking with me. Salute to everybody that pull up ASAP and just hit that thumbs up like button to help get this message out there. If y'all got people that y'all care about and y'all want them to learn more about cryptocurrencies and Shiba Inu in general and how, Shiba Inu could potentially, change their life with, the rest of us future millionaires and soon to be millionaires, share this content so that way they can be more informed and be confident in the decisions that they make moving forward. So come join our private investment community on Facebook. It's called Private Stock Market Game. We got over 5,000 active investors here. Just a community building, networking with each other, encouraging each other, sharing tips and tricks, all types of things. I also share some of my what I call my free 99 plays in there as well. So follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. This is where you'll see some of my free 99 plays as well. Basically some free alerts that y'all will be able to see, but you want to be following me and make sure you got on notifications so you don't miss when I make a post. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well. So the same way that you see the channel spelled at DecemberDeMarco, that's the same way you'll follow me on Instagram. So just make sure y'all are covered on all platforms in case they try to target not trying to jinx myself, but just in case anything happens, y'all know where to find me. But we got some Shiba Inu technical analysis. We also got some Shiba Inu just some Shib Inu talk, some psychology, some fundamental analysis, and we'll get into that ASAP. So right now we're around that 47, 45 range, up 13% for the day. I told y'all this is looking beautiful, y'all. We are doing excellent right here. I'm proud of everybody, that's holding it down. Y'all are not panic selling. We got, people that got, some sell orders already set, placed. So we're going to see some people begin to take profit at certain supply zones where we see selling pressure automatically kick in. But aside from that, though, for the most part, we aren't giving up too much. Now, we're here on the day chart. Let's go in on the 4 hour just to take a zoom in real quick. Now, remember, hit that thumbs up like button to, let YouTube algorithm know that y'all do enjoy this content, that I am bringing valuable information. Because if y'all don't hit the like button, YouTube will basically suppress this information and not push it out to more people because they would assume that y'all don't like the content. So make sure y'all, if y'all truly rocking with me, share this video and make sure you hit the like button. And do not forget to subscribe because YouTube shows me over 20,000 people are watching between 6 and 7 of my videos each and every week and have yet to subscribe. I don't know why y'all haven't subscribed yet. Hit the subscribe button. Salute to all y'all that have already though. Shout out to all the OGs to the channel, all the private stock market game members as well, man. But we here on the 4 hour chart. I told y'all ASAP, once you start to pay attention and start to recognize some of the stuff that's going on, you can, identify key areas in the chart right away. I told y'all resistance, support areas, resistance, support, resistance, support. We can just eyeball it and see, where that is. But, y'all told me y'all like when I actually, break it down. So we'll pull out our horizontal line to start to create support and resistance zones. So that's, you'll use the horizontal line for that. So we could throw up a couple of them, just see some key areas. And you notice how supports here are previous resistance back in the chart. That's what I try to tell y'all. Previous resistance becomes new support if we're in a bullish, trend. So let's see, what else do we have here? We got some support there, and we can get, hit up in this area a little bit more to see. Matter of fact, let's just do it, man, because ain't nobody else doing it live like this. A lot of people, y'all tell me, I'm the one that's bringing it like this to that level, but I got a few people that try to tell me a couple other people doing it like this. I'm sorry to tell y'all, nobody else is doing it like this. I'm updating y'all, play by play on Shib Inu, doing TA live, so y'all can really see this and start to understand this, process on your own. So and you can apply this to the forex market. You could apply this to trading options. You could apply this to stocks, commodities. You could apply this to basically anything that has candlesticks in the chart. So now what we're looking for is, we can see here we have some previous resistance in this area. So right here we're finding resistance here, and we got resistance here. So let's mark this area. Some people choose to use where the wicks are. Some people use the real body of the candle. Depends on which spot is hitting more. So because we got more wicks hitting at this point, I'm using the wicks this time for here. But depending on where you learn, it can be different. Now remember, the full part of the candle, not the skinny line. The skinny line part is called a shadow or a wick. The actual candle itself is called the real body. So you want to zoom in sometimes and see, do the wicks match? Do the real bodies match? The resistance of the real bodies are matching here. The wicks are. So just for this instance, I'll use this area as a first key level of support. So for when we see this impulse here, when we see this correction, notice how we find support here, right at this level where these wicks touch. So that's what you want to look for. You want to look for previous areas in the chart where we could, identify what might be likely to happen. So we have resistance here. That could be likely to become our new support around this range. But also, it's like the second stop could be here in this range, because look at here. This is not a crystal ball. It's just telling us what it's likely to do. We're just trying to interpret the data on the chart. Notice how the real bodies of all these candles right here line up perfectly. Let's line it up right there. Boom. Notice how they all touch right there. Boom. Touch, touch. Touch, touch, touch. That's something we don't want to, ignore. We can see that, the wick of this selling candle right here came down to the 4441 range, or 4454 range exactly. We can see it came down to that range to test it, but it held for support, and buyers bought it right back up. They pushed it right back up right there. Now, why did this happen? I believe because this was smart money. Smart money is protecting its money here. So smart money will protect its own money. When smart money puts some money in the chart, what you'll see is when sellers try to push it down back into the smart money zone, that smart money will buy it right back up to protect that area, so their money is protected. And this might become our new support. But if it's not, if it dips below that because the volume decreases, or some news comes in where things are just not looking as good, then we can expect it to hold around this area. We could also pull out our fib retracement tool, to measure from our swing low to our swing high. Notice how almost just about where we get this this correction is almost right at that 23.6% range. So we almost pull back right to this range here. But we found support. Buyers had their buy orders already before this line. So because buyers were so aggressive here, they didn't even let it come back all the way to this line. They said, oh no, this is about as good as a dip that we might see. They bought it up ASAP. I'm expecting it to continue. Now we had a lot of selling pressure here in this one, but the volume still was, a lot of buyers are still buying. And people aren't panic selling, because a lot of people are telling me, because of watching these videos, they're able to add to their bag comfortably, because they can now identify support areas in the chart where good buying opportunities exist. So that's why I try to teach people this information. It's not to try to encourage people to try to day trade and jump in and out of Shib, because I don't encourage that, especially with some of these crypto coins, because the tokenomics and the fees that are attached to some of them, it wouldn't make sense. You would have to make a lot more than you calculated possibly to really to see the gains that you would assume that you're seeing. So if we see some pullback, I assume to test the top of these wicks here, which is right there where we found support at. Then the top of the real bodies here. Then if we fall through there, we could be seeing support in this range here. And then if not there, then even in this 37, 31 range. Now, do I think it's going that low? Not at all. I don't think we're going to go lower than the 42. I don't think we're going to see lower than this previous resistance area here, because look how much resistance we had here once smart money, or whatever, broke through here. Once that happened, that's pretty much there. So that money's on the table right there, so they're going to want to protect this position. Now, could it pull back past and go further? Yes, it could, because none of this is financial advice, so you always have to do your own due diligence. I'm just sharing what's likely to happen, but it could always switch up, so I don't want y'all to risk more than you're willing to lose, or make any unwise decision. So just be smart, be patient, understand that this is a marathon, it's not a sprint. Just stay down for the come up, and things are looking good for us, y'all. We will, I believe we will be hitting 1 cent. I said, go back, watch my last about 40 videos. You'll basically be getting like a free technical analysis course. You'll have to watch those videos, but if you want to do it for free, that's a good way to do it. For y'all that are interested in, taking your investing and trading to the next level ASAP, please reach out to me. I'm very limited on time, so I don't have a lot of time to go back and forth. But if you're ready right now, you can email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. The email is in the description section. So, especially if you have invested over $1,000 into cryptocurrency and you have not taken this course yet, then you're selling yourself short. You need to learn how to swim, so that way you can be safe in these waters and not drown, because it does get different. Right now, we're in a really bullish trend right now, but you want to know what to do when the market reverses and we start seeing some bearish momentum as well. So protect yourselves, protect your investments. Tap in with me if you're ready to get the course. It's looking good, y'all. Hold the line, continue to add to your bags. You can get ready for the Robinhood listing, which really Robinhood honestly needs us more than we need Robinhood. We just passed the Elon Musk stress test. We'll pass the Robinhood test. So, the army is here, what I'm saying? So I don't think we got too much to worry about. I say in the next month and maybe a week or so, we could be seeing something so crazy that people never expected, y'all. Hold on. Just give it some time. I know y'all are holding, but for y'all that might be getting antsy, getting ready to, not sure what, you might be seeing some of your profits. And remember, this is not financial advice. Do whatever you want to do. Take profits. Always encourage you to take some profit. At least always take a cherry off the top, or secure your original investment. Now, I'm not saying to do that with Shib, but I do that with, a lot of other projects. Shib, I ain't touched yet, because, well, not this one, but, I got different bags of Shib that, for different purposes. But my main bag, that's for 5 years plus, y'all. Guaranteed 5 years plus. That's there. If the team stays solid and everything's supposed to be what it's supposed to be, of course. But so far, though, I'm, I do know who Ryoshi is, the real Ryoshi. And if y'all knew who Ryoshi was, I guarantee that would make y'all more confident in investing into Shib. I'm adding more and more bags of Shib. I'm taking Shib for my course sales. I'm taking Shib for my book sales. I'm taking Shib for whatever, for consulting. I'm also accepting, helping create use case for Shib in other areas as well, because I truly believe in the project that much. This will be a project that I think will be here, 10 years plus, just like Bitcoin, is. And I believe we'll be a top 5 crypto very soon. So stay tuned for that as well. Let's check out this quick article. You know what? We'll bring the articles in the next video, because this is more of a technical analysis video. I want y'all to just, if y'all see some pullback, I want y'all to, be okay. Remember, we still have my price prediction to the 52s. We need to break this 49 range. We're seeing some resistance there. Once we can break out of that, we'll test the, we'll push straight through that 50. We're going straight to the 52 range. And I could go watch my last 2 videos. I've been calling this out. I told y'all this is what's about to happen. So, appreciate everybody for rocking with me, man. Congratulations. This is, it can get a little shaky, but it really only gets easier from here, because now we all have that confidence we need to know that we all made the right decision. All those people that said Shib Inu was a scam, Shib Inu wouldn't be around, Shib Inu, this and that. Now look, imagine how they feel right now. You know what I'm saying? So congratulations, man. That's all we got. Tap in for the course, and we are out.